Today's Latin phrase is a posteriori. Some people also pronounce it as a posteriori. That's again a British pronunciation. It means from later. It is knowledge obtained from experience. First you get the experience and then you get the knowledge. Later, posteriori or posteriori. For instance, if I say you have a mobile in your pocket, I can check your pocket to confirm it. That is a posteriori. Look at another one. He is panting. So, a posteriori, he must have been running. Let's analyze this. The accepted position number 1. You pant when you run. That's the experience. Accepted position number 2. He is panting. It's a fact. So conclusion is, a posteriori, he must have been running. Let's look at some other practical uses here. One assumes a posteriori that she would be a good parent, the way she took care of her younger siblings. The failure of 3 projects with this technology is, a posteriori, a reason why this technology should be discarded. A posteriori, indigenous technology would have been cost-effective and more efficient. Considering that he has 3 cases of violation against him in just 1 week, a posteriori, his plea of quashing this case against him should be disallowed. A posteriori, very useful if you're arguing a case in a court of law.